Alright everyone, this is my initial review of a tool I got. It's the BETOOLL, the BETOOLL Pro Fuel Injection Pressure Tester Kit, gauge 0 to 140 PSI. I bought it to use with for my brother-in-law's Kubota, which was having a starting problem, excuse me. I'm going to open it up, and it's probably most likely from China. It comes with a whole set of adapters and the fuel injection manual. For the use that I had, let me take this over. I bought this because I didn't know what I was going to need in terms of all of the adapters. You can see there's multiple sets of adapters. This one looks like it's set up for a Schrader valve. And if you were to use a Schrader valve, it connects to the meter. See, here you go, you got all kinds of adapters, but it's your standard type of meter. And on the end, let's see, this is set up for an adapter. So your adapter would plug into here, and that would plug into your Schrader valve on a vehicle. I have a different gauge I use for Schrader valves on vehicles, but in essence, this is it. Let me set this out of the way. You have all kinds of interesting stuff. For the adapter I had to use, it was rather simple. It comes with a T, and it came with sets of hoses here. You have real simple, they even give you a few inches of this, and there are, slide that on, and there are also, it comes with little hose clamps. So it came with everything that I needed to do what I needed to do, which was a good thing. And of course, a couple of these in line. Oops, let me grab one. I think it's this size here. Yeah, that's where I had the clamp on it. And then the solution was this went in line with the Kubota for the pressure, so it would go through. We had this adapter that goes on here, and then of course I had the hose clamps on both ends. And then I pressure tested. You can see that in the video where I was isolating the problem. So that is that. It comes with the fuel injection manual, and I don't work on cars very much. I'm going to hopefully use this on my Yugoslavian tractor. Got a table of contents, the pre-systems check, a list of all the pieces that come with it. Also have it talks about the fuel set, your Bosch CIS tester, GM TBI tester for all their systems, and it has all the call outs of the part numbers and the identifications, so you can look and see exactly what you need. It has a typical fuel injection pressure test on how to do it. It says here for Bosch, CIS, and GM TBI, so it tells you how to do that. And then it shows you typical multi-port fuel injection system with the Schrader valve, where you connect up with the Schrader valve. I showed you that it does have that as well, so it'll take care of the basics, plus, as you can see, a whole lot more. There's many pieces. Some of these you can see have the banjo type of connections here, where it basically tightens down, and then the pressure is coming that way through the side. Okay, all kinds of multiple adapters. It has even something that looks like this, which I'm not certain exactly what that uses for, but I'm certain it's one of the vehicles that it calls out here. It talks about the fuel pressure release, the adapter application and specification charts. It says here AMC, so the AMC, Alliance Encore 83 to I guess 04, Acura, Alfa Romeo, Audi, BMW, Chrysler, Eagle, Daihatsu, Fiat, Ford, GM, Geo, Honda, Jeep, Jaguar, Mazda, Mercedes-Benz, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Datsun, Peugeot, holy French, Porsche, Renault, Saab, Sterling, Subaru, Suzuki, haven't seen one of those in a while, Toyota, Triumph, VW, Volvo. And it has, let's see, additional instructions for testing GM TBI. You have GBM TBI adapter applications chart K. Let's see, additional instructions for the Bosch CIS injectors. And see, I hope all this is, well, you're not going to be able to see it probably with the camera, sorry, but I don't have a cameraman. So fuel pressure diagnosis, troubleshooting multi-port and TBI systems. These are the headers that I'm reading across the pages. When you're doing a Kubota, it wasn't the world's biggest deal. And pressure conversion chart, metric conversion chart. So it even has the charts for you so you don't have to do any math from your head. Okay, that's basically it. It's a fuel injection. It was the big hit. I got it on Amazon. It got to me in 2 days, and it helped make everything go smooth. So again, thank you, and I hope that this has been helpful.